going to show you the basic editing functions in the Google site and how you can publish your site for the first time. Okay, so I just created this like a website shell for the demonstration purpose. So let's say you want to create your first posting. Okay, so I go to insert menu and hit text box. Okay, so from here you can select a different style like a title, heading, subheading, small text, and normal text. Since this is the first posting and I want to start by having the title with the title style, so hit the title style and then I put for example mind mapping tool. Okay, okay. And always once you hover your mouse over the area, then you see the extra menu pops up. So from here you can change the setting for your title section here. So if you click the first palette icon, you have a different style, and you can even insert image into this heading. And I just choose the third style. So as you can see, the style was applied to this heading title section. And then if you want to create a hyperlink on any text, first you need to highlight the text that you want to create a hyperlink on. And do you see this paperclip icon? That's an insert link. So you can click the link, and from here it gives you the internal pages option. So since there are only home page and learning technology page, you have a home page as an option here. So you can easily create a hyperlink to the internal page within your ePortfolio site, or if it's an external, you can just copy and paste the link from the website that you want to create a hyperlink. Then hit apply. Then as you can see, the hyperlink has been created here. Okay, and let's say you are done creating your posting, right? And this is the first time you want to publish your site. So remember that in this editing mode, every change you made is automatically saved. But if you don't publish it, your changes won't be visible on the web. Okay, so once you have made any changes, make sure you publish your site so that those changes can be applied to your website. Okay, so let's say, so this is the first time you publish. So if you look at the top right corner, that's a menu called publish. So if you hit publish, then it asks you to decide the web address. So the first part of web address is already decided. So sites.google.com/view/ and then you are deciding the last part of your website. Okay, so let me Dr. Test portfolio. Okay, so if you see this a check mark, then this address is available. So sometimes if you are using your name or just a typical portfolio type of address, you may notice that it's already taken. That's why like someone else is using that address right now. So you need to find a different address. So this one, luckily, it's not taken by anyone else, so it's available. And then here by default, who can view my site is anyone. So since it'll be a public website, you may want to keep this share setting to anyone, but you can manage this setting. You can have a restricted view. In this way, you can just share the URL with whoever you want to share your portfolio. That's a restricted view. But it's right now the default setting is public, so let's leave it as a public. And the search setting request public search engines to not display my site. So sometimes if someone type in the search word related to your ePortfolio, the Google or the Bing, the search engines may show your website as one of the search results. And if you don't want your website to be searchable using this search engines, you can check this check this box. Then you request public search engines to not display your site as a result, search result. Okay, but normally the portfolio will be your job hunting or your resume type of thing. So you may want to uncheck it so that it can be searchable by your potential employers. Okay, so once you are done with giving the address and check the share setting to anyone, view my site to anyone, and then you hit publish. Okay, so once you publish your site, it's live online. And do you see this little drop down arrow is it's created? If you click this, then you can choose an option, view published site. Okay, so this is actual live website. So you see this URL and then the page URL as well. Okay, so let's see, this link is working fine. Oh, maybe I had a typo, but still you can see that the hyperlink is created. Okay, so this is how you make changes to your website, basic functions, and how you publish your website. So let me show you. So after I publish my site, I just have another edit here, right? So there's a change made. And make sure you go to your website, even though you refresh it, you don't see the changes, right? So once you publish it, if there's any changes, it'll give you this two-column view, currently published version and the draft version. See these changes, right? And if you accept the changes, hit publish. Okay, then you go back to your website, refresh it. Okay, so let's do the turn to the editor, refresh it. Then you see the changes made. The change you just made shows up, right? So this is how you can manage your basic functions and how you can publish your site for the first time.